Finding a good handyman can be difficult. Thankfully, Mr. Handyman stands out from the competition, which is why they're the only ones recommended by Approved Home Pros. Bill, thanks for coming back. You were early on the show, we were talking about licensing. And Mr. Handyman, you stand out from the crowd because you are licensed, correct?
We are licensed. We work under California General Contractor's License. We're also insured with general liability, workers' comp, and we're bonded.
And that's not that common in the handyman world. That's why you're the only company that we recommend. Not a lot of handymen have that.
That's true. That is what helps us stand out from the crowd and makes us kind of the professional handyman service that we are.
So you hold a general contracting license, correct? That means you can really work in any trade.
Basically, yes, we can.
Okay.
Yeah.
Another thing that for me is important with you guys is the professionalism and the training that goes into the way you do business.
So we have, first, I hire full-time employees. They all have a minimum of 10 years experience in the trades. Actually, most of them have about 20 years experience, so they know what they're doing. We also background check them. So as opposed to some people who have their own handyman, you can have that with Mr. Handyman because we've got technicians who have been with us for a while. You can have somebody come out to your home, and if you like them, we have a lot of customers that then call for the same guy to come back time after time. They have their favorites.
See, I think that's something that people get concerned about using a company like Mr. Handyman is they won't have their guy, their handyman,
right.
But you still get all those benefits of the local neighborhood handyman, but having the professionalism of the company behind you.
Exactly. And then we have an office also. So you can call our office. We can manage the schedule, make sure that handyman is free when you want them there.
Now, with an unlicensed handyman, and there you can do jobs under a certain amount, and there's not a problem with that, right? $500 is that the
correct?
Is that the
That's the limit in California. Yes.
But being licensed, you can take a job beyond that if the job calls for it. If you need
yes,
to.
if it calls for it, if it's a larger job. Also, we're not doing things to try to scrimp to stay under the $500 limit by cutting time or maybe cutting quality.
I think that's really, really important. Is being able to take the job to completion, get the quality job, get it finished, and then you can bring in the other pros if you need to for even bigger jobs. That's why we recommend you so highly.
Correct. Thank you.
Call Mr. Handyman today to take care of your projects. We do. They're the only company we recommend at Approved Home Pros. You can find them at ApprovedHomePros.com.